It's a tough time in your life to go through a divorce.
I was alone, so I needed somebody that I knew was going to take care of me.
It was very stressful. I was worried about keeping my kids.
I had been with my high school sweetheart. We'd been married 17 years.
The largest stressor was that when I married my ex, she had a 6-month-old daughter. We then had our own daughter. I desperately wanted 50-50 custody, shared parenting with both children.
She was going to leave town and move back to Kansas City and take our daughter along, who was actually only 8 months or 10 months old at the time. The goal became keep the child here.
I wanted somebody who would protect me and my son.
That's the reason we say children matter most, and what we like to see more than anything else is a smile on the children's faces when we're done. Every case is unique and every case is individual, and it takes an individual plan for every case.
And it was an immediate feeling of relief of this is something with the custody issue that he's very comfortable with, he's got experience with, and he understood the emotions that I was going through.
We like to help people get to the place where their divorce process is not painful.
He takes into account the stress, the emotional stress you're going through, and he is able to give you a strategy that helps you to manage that stress.
We're a little unique. I have, as I said, a background in psychology.
Divorce is absolutely as much about psychology and personalities as it is about the law.
His psychology background just blew me away.
And one of the things Ed did when we filed for divorce was he asked for a psychological evaluation of both parents so that the court had something to look at and say, you know, okay, here's the situation with both parents. What's really going to be the best thing for the child involved here?
He reassured me that it was all going to be okay and that we would win and that what I was doing was justified for my children.
One of the first things I try to focus on with clients is assuring that they can find a way in which to maintain their focus on the children.
And he's fair. He's just a fair guy.
The result of the divorce process is that I have 50-50 custody. I have shared parenting.
It's because of his expertise and because of his caring, the work that he does and the research he does, and the staff he keeps on.
You feel like he's a good friend.
I would recommend Ed with all my heart.
Just the personal touch alone, I would not go anywhere else for counsel.
We know that this is a potentially very difficult time in your life. And if you would like to do an initial consultation, we'd be more than glad to find a mutually convenient time to set up just that opportunity for you and do it in a time and a place that's convenient for you.